If your laptop screen flickering in Windows 10 or Windows 11, I will tell you the most effective methods and proven methods to fix it. So we will be doing only 5 steps, and from those 5 steps, one will surely work for you. So let's hope for the best. So the very first thing here is to update the graphics card. Refresh the graphics card first. So to do that, you need to press the Windows Shift and Control B. I know it is tough because we need to press 4 keys together, so you can use 2 hands. Press Window and then Shift and then Control and B. The moment you do it, you will hear a beep sound and your graphics card will be refreshed. See if that works for you. If that doesn't, then we will move to the next step. And the next step is do a right click and go to the task manager. So we will check what exactly the problem of screen flickering. So we will check in the performance tab, and then we will go to the GPU section. Now you need to look if your graphics, if you see the flickering graphs here and your screen is also flickering, that means GPU have some issues. So we will try to update the graphics. If that works well and good, we will try to roll back the graphics, see if that works for you. And we will also go to the manufacturer side. Whatever the graphics you're using, we will try to update to that. So I'll close this. Once you're done, now we need to update the graphics driver. And to do that, we will do a right click in the start icon, and then we will go to device manager. Now here we will go to display adapters, and we need to select the driver. Now you may be using AMD or NVIDIA or Intel Iris like me. Do a right click, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. Right, see if that works for you. If that doesn't, then again do a right click. Just do a right click again, go to properties and go to the driver section. See if that rollback driver is active or not grayed out. Try to do the rollback to the previous date, see if that works for you. Also check the driver date, on which date, what is the last driver date of that. If it's very old, try to look to the manufacturer side. So let's say if you're using NVIDIA, then go to the NVIDIA side. AMD, then go to the AMD side. Note it down the graphics name. Look for that driver, and please make sure that you only visit the manufacturer site to update your graphics or download the graphics driver. That's a must. Not apart from this. So once you're done, if you see that works for you, well and good. Else, there is one more thing which you can do by doing a right click and then go to update driver, and this time we will select browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from the list of available drivers. So the top one is already done. Go with the second one, see if that works for you. If that doesn't, go with the next. Don't go with the basic display adapter because it may create issue, but you always come back here and select the driver and install it. So just I'll select the second one, I'll click on next. It's installing the driver, and see if your laptop screen is working fine or not. Whether your laptop or desktop screen, monitor screen, it should work. And if you still have issues, that means there could be a possibility with the hardware issue. All right. So you need to understand, you need to check when you turn on the laptop or the desktop, Is it flickering while turning on when you see the Windows logo? If you see the flickering while turning on the Windows logo, that means it's a hardware issue. So do let me know in the comment section if you have any problems. I'll try my best to, give you the solution for that. And please hit the like and subscribe if this tutorial is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.